Hello and welcome to this video. So if you still want to play the first version of Dota or Dota 1 through the version of Warcraft Frozen Throne, then I'm actually here to show you on how to play it, and you can actually get to play it with people online, and pretty much the same with Dota 2. Now, to start off with, you will need first to have the Warcraft program, which is also called the Frozen Throne. Now, to download this one, you're gonna need to use this link, which I'll provide in the description below. So once you're in this link, you can choose to download either the zip file, which automatically has all the files required for the Warcraft program, or you can have the option to install the program itself, which will install into your computer. Now, I already have one that I will show you here. And you don't have to worry about the version of the Warcraft, because before then you need to have different versions of Warcraft depending on the type of connecting game that you use when connecting with players online. And since it's been patched to 1.26a, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, as soon as you have the Warcraft game here, the next thing you want to do is to download the specific connection program for you to connect with players online. Now, the good thing about playing with people online regarding with this software is that this has a lot of features that pretty much the same with Dota 2. However, there are still features that are limited, and I will create another video for that, especially to those players who are new to Dota 1 or who doesn't know how to play Dota 1, because most of the players now are already in Dota 2. So to download this one, just go to this link, the Rank Gaming website, which is rankgaming.com, which I'll also provide in the description below. Just click on download, and I don't have to because I already have it here in my computer, and it's actually a zip file as well, so it's up to you where you want to extract it. So me, I have it in my documents file, and I have it right here. Okay, and automatically it will update itself. Sometimes there will be changes, and you just need to update the patch itself. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to download the map, or the latest map of Dota 1, so that you'll be able to play with players online. Now, the thing about this one is that the version is not that updated because there's only a few players or only a few people who are working on this one, so you just need to bear with it. So to download this one, which I'll also provide in the description below for the link, you just need to download this one, and to copy it into your Warcraft folder, so you have to look for the map where you got it, which I already have one here. Just copy and go to where you got your Warcraft folder, go to maps, download, and just pretty much paste it here. And I already got one here, so I don't have to do it. And yeah, now the next thing you want to do is to connect, or to open the Rank Gaming software. Okay, creating an account for this one is pretty easy. It's not that complicated. So let me log into my account here.
Welcome.
Okay, automatically my room is set to default, which is in the USA. Now you need to set up this one first before you can launch your Warcraft. So first you have to go to settings, and then click on Dota, and then you have to set the destination folder where you set up your Warcraft, or where you set it. And mine already have it on documents, Warcraft, and make sure you select the Frozen Throne because that's the default program for playing Dota. Just click on open, and then just hit save, and automatically it closes. Okay, now since my room doesn't have that much people playing, not to mention the one you see here in the right side, that's the tab, or that's the part where you can see players signing, or if there's an open game, or if there's a game started. So let me just show you how to check or change your room. So now, since Europe is the closest one to the US, and also like Europe, And if you're within Asia, then you can actually select Asia, which is Asia Public, or there are regional here, which is a different country, which you can actually join. Okay, all right. So now I have it here. Now I'm in a room and there's quite a few people playing. So just hit start, and automatically Warcraft should start. Just wait for it. Okay, and there you have it. Now I'll be creating a separate video to explain everything, the difference between Dota 2 and Dota 1. Okay, so I'm just here to explain to you on how you can actually get to play with people online. So for instance, there's different rooms here. There's two. However, the first one is already full. The second one is open. You can actually get to join this one by double clicking it, and then you can choose to be in Sentinel or the Scourge. It's up to you. Alright, now let me just go back a bit. There are some instances that you can actually join, like this one. It's because they just created a room by signing here, and if ever you haven't signed in this part, then you are not part of the room who is reserved for that. That's why you can't join. Normally it appears as blue instead of white font here. It normally appears as blue. It means that you are reserved for that specific room. Now let me just show you on how it looks like. Let me just join Asia Public, signing, and then just wait for it. There will be a sound saying that the game has been hosted, and in that way you can pretty much join it. Okay, just wait for it just for a bit. There are a lot of open runs, so I'm not going to join those. Just here to show you how it looks like.
The game has just been hosted.
There you go. See, it's a blue font, and just double click, and automatically you can join. Okay, so that's pretty much on how you can get Dota 1 and how you can play with players online. Now I'll be creating a separate video for you on the difference, for you to know the difference between Dota 1 and Dota 2. So thank you for watching for this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next video on how you can actually, or what is the difference rather, between Dota 1 and Dota 2. And that way you'll know. For Dota 2 players who haven't played Dota 1, and especially for those who are not familiar with it, it's quite complicated. So till next time.